The density scan shows irregularities at the fourth quadrant.
Rerunning the analysis now. The biosignature is stable.
Look at the definition on that hindquarter.
Yeah. And the hide quality is superb, so smooth.
Pull up the feed chart for this one.
Right here. Seems like he's putting on weight faster than the others.
The moisture levels are holding steady right here.
Good. Let's finalize the report once it stops. See that structure near the renal artery?
Yes, I see it. It appears consistent with the prior reading.
Let's check the hepatic readings now.
Look at the loin muscle. It's showing excellent yield data.
Yes, the marbling score is higher than the last scan. Vitals are stable, doctor. Chute pressure is optimal.
Okay, I'm proceeding with the ultrasound now. Keep him steady.
Secured.
Well, she seems happy with the result.
Finally, some fresh water. Good job, everyone.
The white blood cell count is slightly elevated.
Yes, but the inflammatory markers look good. We should monitor it.
If we zoom in here, the decline in leather processing is clear.
Agreed. The demand shifted faster than the model predicted.
Almost dry now, little one.
Look at him, he's beautiful.
Each yellow ear tag ensures total traceability throughout the life cycle of the calves.
Okay, 92 pounds confirmed. Noted. I've entered the data.
The heart girth is exactly 75 centimeters.
Got it. Recording now. Check the posture data from last week's entry.
Push him through to the left. Get up there now, move along.
How's that look?
Green across the board, nicely done.
The coat quality here on the shoulder seems exceptional. Look at the sheen.
The sensor readings confirm that. Data shows high density and optimal oil levels.
Yeah! Get up there! Yeah! Keep it moving!
Push him through.
Okay. Keep moving. Gates open.
We have a bottleneck on I-80 near Chicago. Capacity is down by 20%.
Reroute the eastbound shipments through the southern corridor.
Get up there, move on. Keep them coming easy now.
Get up there, move along now.
We should reroute this livestock shipment through the northern pass.
That adds 2 hours, but avoids the city bottleneck.
It's worth it for the safe delivery.
Clear the gate for the next group.
Tag scan, data updated.
All right, boys, keep it moving.
Okay, the tag's synced. Lot number 425.
Got it. Data recorded.
Quality check passed on the digital manifest.
Verified. We can release this one for transport immediately.
This one passes temperature, but note the slight bruising on the flank.
Got it. Logging defect code B4.
See how the collagen cross-links with the myofibrillar proteins right here.
Yes, the lipid deposit is significantly higher than the control group.
Yeah.
thickness is 8 millimeters, prime grade. Marbling score is a 7.
Okay, approved.
The white bull line is holding steady at 98.5%.
Incredible. That exceeds our projections for this quarter.
This white leather is flawless. It's the best quality we've ever worked with.
It will make a beautiful handbag.